Hey, it's Sunny. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 12 Pro in gold, and I got it in the 512GB option, which is great. Who doesn't love more storage? Anyway, I decided to get this phone because I currently have the iPhone X, which is amazing. I absolutely love that phone, but my dad still has the iPhone 5S and it's 16GB in storage, and he's really been struggling. I didn't even know how he manages it. So I thought that I would buy this phone, A, because of the camera quality. I think it's absolutely amazing. And also just so that he can now use my iPhone X. And I want to say I bought this with my own money. I had this money saved for traveling, but obviously that isn't really a thing right now. So I decided to get a new phone. I actually didn't buy this off the Apple website or get it from the Apple store. I went into JB Hi-Fi, which is just a tech store in Australia, and quite often if you go in there and buy like a screen protector and a charger and accessories and all of that jazz, then they quite often give you a really good deal. So if you're in Australia and you're looking to save a little bit of money, then definitely check that out. But yeah, that's basically all I wanted to say. Let's just get right into unboxing. That's better. So in the box, there's obviously the phone, which is so stunning. Oh, there's already something on it. So stunning. And then also you have a charger, which is a USB-C, not a USB charger. So you will have to go out and buy an adapter for this, which I have, and I'll show you in a second. But I personally opted not to buy the MagSafe charger because it is kind of hard to travel with and it wasn't really convenient. Plus it was extra money that I just didn't want to spend. This phone was already so much money, so I just didn't opt for that, but you obviously can if you wanted to. I'll show you the accessories that I got for this phone. So I bought a USB-C power adapter, which is compatible with the cord that is in the iPhone 12 box. I also picked up this screen protector. I used to always just use a plastic kind of screen protector, but my friend told me to use a glass screen protector, so that's what I've been doing. And this one's a thin one, so it doesn't really interrupt with anything too much, which is great. Always keep your phone protected. I also picked up this clear case because I really want the color of the phone to shine through. I really love the gold color. So I also have a clear case on my iPhone X. So I literally got the exact same one with the exact same company, and it was just for the iPhone 12, and I really love this case. It's just amazing, and I just didn't want to change it at all. Okay, let's just try to set this up now.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you?
Let me see if this works with my dad's phone.
Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
Oh, is it the other way around? My bad. Oh my gosh, that's so cool. It's literally exactly like my dad's phone. And everything's still on the other iPhone as well, which is nice. So I'm just gonna put this clear phone case on. There we go. And I'm going to get the screen protector done by a professional because I always screw it up and it always has air bubbles. That's pretty much it for this video. It looks so nice with the clear screen case as well. You can really see the gold color. If you're interested in seeing what's on my iPhone 12 Pro, or if you're interested in seeing a iPhone 12 review to see if the iPhone 12 is worth it, I'm definitely going to be making those videos, so definitely stay tuned and subscribe if you want to, and I'll see you in my next video.